Yeah.
You think they'll make it this far?
Okay, here's three guys on the Spanish River at the elbow, courtesy of Fox Lake Lodge, that think they got the strength and endurance for this current. It's been nice knowing these guys. There's going to be a little more room in the van on the way home. We got Pat, Greg, Jay Okersey, and over here, Jeff Tietzel. That's for the insurance policy. Two down. Here we go. Look at him come.
Racing time. Greg's got the endurance there.
Oh yeah. Second degree black belt in the middle.
Holy shit!
Where's Tietzel? Here's Tietzel. Tietzel's holding his own. That's good. He's alright. It's these two pokes clowns over here.
Hey, you drink that stuff, eh? Well, at least say you were at the river. Yeah, I drank some too.
Congratulations, boys.
Nobody covered the leeches?
How many leeches down your shorts?
One big one.
Yeah.
That was awesome. You know what? It's harder coming back this way.
Yeah,
it's deeper. It's deeper here. The current hitting.
Like a rush, eh?
That was great.
How you doing, Teets?
That was wag.
Good time. Kind of makes me miss the river.
Horn dog.
Horn dog?